In this presentation, I will explain you management as an art or science, management versus administration, management process or functions. In the last session, I explained you the concept of management with 6 headings: body of knowledge, management tools, separate discipline, specialization, code of conduct, and professional association, followed with definitions of management with generalized definition and precise definition. Today, I have a worksheet for you to complete. Starting with your first question, name 8 universities which are recognized for management studies in India. Second one, from your yesterday's topic, imagine that you are Mr. Sanjay who shifted his textile business to Bangalore. What will be the techniques you will follow to retain your concern's goodwill in the city? List management tools. Write the definitions of management given by Peter Drucker. Now, management is an art or science. Let's first know management is an art. To manage efficiently, one must have not only the necessary abilities to lead, but also a set of critical skills acquired through time, experience, and practice. The art of managing is a personal creative attribute of the manager, which is more often enriched by education, training, and experience. The art of managing involves the conception of a view of an orderly whole created from chaotic part and the communication and achievement of this vision. Managing is the art of arts because it organizes and uses human talents like practical knowledge, personal skills, creativity, goal orientation, etc. Now, let's know how management is science. Science is obtaining information about a particular object by a systematic pattern of observation, study, practice, experiments, and investigation. The management process also follows the same pattern: gathering data and facts, analyzing them, and making a decision. Based on the analysis are the basic functions of the management. Management follows a systematic method to find a possible solution for a problem. The science underlying managing is indeed inexact or a soft science at the best. It is not as science or physical sciences such as chemistry or biology, which deals with non-human entities. Human behavior is unpredictable. People think, act, or react differently under identical circumstances. Finally, management is science as well as art. Science teaches us to know while art teaches us to do. To be successful, managers have to know and do things effectively and efficiently. This requires a unique combination of both science and art of managing in them. It may, however, be said that the art of managing begins where the science of managing stops. Since the science of managing is important, the manager must turn to the artistic managerial ability to perform a job satisfactorily. It may be said that managing practice is an art, but the body of knowledge, methods, principles, etc. are underlying the practice is science. Let us conclude this with a definition given by Lewis Allen. A professional manager is one who specializes in the work of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the effect of others, and thus so through systematic use of classified knowledge, a common vocabulary, and principles, who subscribes to the standards of practice and code of ethics established by a recognized body. Now the next topic is management versus administration. Is management different from administration? Let's know it. First, let's start with management. What is management? To make it simple, management can be understood as a skill of getting the work done from others. It is not exactly same as administration, which gives suggestions to a process of efficiently administering the entire organization. The most important point that differs management from the administration is that the former is concerned with directing or guiding the operations of the organization, whereas the latter stresses on laying down the policies and establishing the objectives of the organization. Management is defined as an act of managing people and their work for achieving a common goal by using the organization's resources. It creates an environment under which the manager and his subordinates can work together for the attainment of group objectives. It is a group of people who uses their skills and talents in running the complete system of the organization. It is an activity, a function, a process, a discipline, and much more. Planning, organizing, leading, motivating, controlling, coordinating, and decision making are the major activities performed by the management. Management brings together 5 M's of the organization, that is, men, material, machines, methods, and money. It is a result oriented activity which focuses on achieving the desired output. Administration. Let's know the meaning of administration. The administration is a systematic process of administering the management of a business organization and educational institutions like schools or colleges, government offices, or non-organized offices. The main function of administration is the formation of plans, policies, and procedures, setting up of goals and objectives, enforcing rules and regulations, etc. It represents top layer of the management. These top level authorities are either owners or business partners who invest their capital in starting the business. Finally, it can be said that both are different terms, but practically it is found that the terms are more or less the same. A manager performs both administrative and functional activities. Although the manager who are working on the topmost level are also said to be the part of administration. The managers working on the middle or lower level represents the management. Now let's know the differences between management and administration. They have given out with the basis of comparison, starting with meaning. Meaning of management is an organized way of managing people and things of a business organization is called as management. Meaning of administration, the process of administering an organization by a group of people is known as administration. Authority of the management lies with the middle and lower level. Administration's authority falls to the top level. Role of management is executive. Role of administration is decisive. Management is concerned with policy implementations, whereas administration's role is decisive. Management area of operation, it works under administration. Administration area of operation, it has full control over the activities of an organization. Management is applicable to profit making organizations, that is business organizations. Administration is applicable to government offices, military clubs, business enterprises, hospitals, religious and educational organizations. Management decides who will do the work and how will it be done. Administration decides what should be done and when is it should be done. Management works in putting up plans and policies into action. Administration works in formulation of plans, framing policies and setting objectives. Management focuses on managing works. Administration focuses on making best possible allocation of limited resources. Management's key person is manager. Administration's key person is administrator. Management represents employees who works for remuneration. Administration represents owners who get a return on the capital invested by them. Management's function is executive and governing. Administration's function is legislative and determinative. Now let's move on to the next one as management process. Management process is a process of setting goals, planning and or controlling the organizing and leading the execution of any type of activities such as a project or a process. The twin purpose of a management process is maximum productivity, which results in profit. Maximum human welfare brings satisfaction. An organization's senior management is responsible for carrying out its management process. However, this is not always the case for all the management process. For example, it is the responsibility of the project manager to carry out a project management process. The substance of the management should be identified as a process. A process is something what a person does in the context of his individual duties and responsibilities assigned by his or her immediate higher authority. It is an ongoing cyclical operation which indicates the dynamic nature of the management. It is directly concerned with management of human resources in order to secure cooperation and teamwork from the people in their performance. There are 5 parts of management as a process. First, management is coordination. The manager of an enterprise must effectively coordinate all activities and resources of the organization, like men, machine, materials, money, and methods. Second, management is a process. The manager achieves proper coordination of resources by means of managerial functions of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Third, management is purposive process. It is directed to achieve goals or objectives, which is profit for an organization. Without an objective, we have no destination to reach. That is, both management and organization must be goal oriented. A fourth, management is social process. It is an art of getting things done through other people. A fifth, management is cyclical process. That is, it is an ongoing process to attain the planned goals. It implies planning, action, control, pre-planning cycles. Thank you.